So hey guys, it's me Sudhakar Gupta and you're watching Sudart. In this video, I will give you the top 7 drawing tips that beginner artists can or should use to improve their art. In starting, everyone do mistakes while making sketches, but they should concentrate about it as it should not become habit. To avoid this, here's the top 7 drawing tips. So starting from the number 1 tip, that is start from the basic shape. I have seen what most of the beginner artists do is to not focus on the basic shape during making sketches, and due to that at the end of the drawing it's just totally destroyed. It's also because they focus on the shading and give detailing early even without outlining the whole drawing. So all you have to do is to avoid it and focus on the basic shape. Like if you're making portrait, then start from making circles, and if you're making figure drawing, then start from the box like a structure, and believe me, it will help and improve your artwork so much. The number 2 tip is understanding the light and dark. It generally plays an important role in drawing, and if you really want to improve your art, then you should usually study about it. There are lots of reference books and videos available on internet which will beautifully teach you about the difference between the light and dark, where we do not have to say it, where the core shadow comes, differences between the darkest dark and lightest light. Well, this is the topic for the another video. Let's come to the third tip. The number 3 tip is always sharpen your pencil. What most of the beginner artists do is they forget to sharpen their pencil regularly, and sometimes the artwork become bad as it got so many thick and thin lines which should not be there. So always remind yourself to sharpen it. The number 4 tip is learn from the masterwork. However, many people think copying is bad and you should not copy, but that's not true. In my views, copying masterwork is not bad, and it is good for your daily practice because that improves your skills, and practicing the masterwork let you understand about the artwork that has been coming from many years from different great artists. The number 5 tip is never hesitate to express yourself. Have you ever think or imagine lots of creative work in your mind, and when you go to make that all in your drawing sheet, you even hesitate to draw a single line there? That's the hesitation that stop you to express yourself. Here is the little tip that I want to give you whenever you go to draw something from imagination or just trying to do something new. Whenever you go to make that, make sure you do not choose your best pages that cost is high, because you will never want to waste your pages, and due to that it stop you to express yourself. Choose simple pages, and if you're still hesitate, draw some random lines on the pages or scratch some little bit here and there on the page, which will make you free to express yourself, and who knows, you end up making some amazing character faces. Let's come to the number 6 tip, that is proper know how to hold pencil correctly. This is a small yet very important tip which can totally transfer your art and take your art journey in a good way. Holding the pencil is a skill and you should learn and develop it by the time to time. If you are still holding it wrong, then change it, because as you will progress, you have to change it one day. So why not today? Now let's come to the last tip of this video, that is practice, practice and practice. And yes, practice little more too. This is what you have to do every day and is the best tip in all of them. The more you practice, the more you learn and understand about the art. So this was the top 7 drawing tips, and I hope you love it and get something from it. Like, subscribe and comment below to tell me on which topic you want to get some tips, and also share this video to your beginner artist friend so that he or she know about it. Keep practicing.